So I'm going to tell you my story. And when we're done here today, you're going to walk out of here thinking, man, if that guy can make it to the Olympics even one time, then we can do anything, okay? Yeah, because I give people hope. See, I'm not a great athlete. I'm not. I can't jump high. I can't run fast. And I'm not particularly strong. I'm like your neighbor. Really. Man, no false modesty there, man, I tell you. All throughout school, I was the last kid they picked for PE. It was awful. I was on the bench for kickball. I didn't even know there was a bench for kickball, okay? Yeah. Always had the two captains choosing teams. I was the last one they picked. Last captain always said the same thing. Oh, got to get Ruben again? That was the story of my life. Because I'm not fast, I'm not strong, I'm not. And so, I just had a dream, and I surrounded myself with people that believed in me and disassociated myself with the ones that made fun and stayed in the game long enough to learn some skills, and I used those skills to make it. Did I win any medals? No, but I got to play with the big boys 4 times, okay? I did. At the Vancouver Olympics, I was 47. The kid that won, this German kid, he wasn't even born when I was competing in the Calgary Olympics. I mean, is that crazy? That's sick. Everybody asked me if I was a coach. It was terrible. I would do speeches before, you know, coming up to the Olympics, and people say, hey, are you going to win the gold medal? Right, that was like Q&A, right? You going to win the gold medal? I told them, man, at my age, I'll be happy to make the cover of AARP, okay?